Hey guys, brace yourselves because this video is going to take you on a wild ride. So I've been feeling pretty lonely lately. You know how it goes. There are just certain activities that are way more fun with a partner in crime. Like going for an epic road trip. It's no fun driving cross-country and rocking out to classic Guns N' Roses tracks all alone, or pulling off an elaborate prank by yourself. What I'm really craving is a partner you can count on through thick and thin. Someone who will have your back whether you're healthy as a horse or deathly ill from that questionable gas station sushi. You feel me? Alright, so get this. I'm scrolling through the gram as I do, and I come across this absolutely gorgeous Instagram model. Her comments are flooded with thousands of people drooling over her beauty and willing to pay thousands of dollars to chat with her. But the catch is, she's not real. She is one of these hyper-realistic AI-generated models that are being generated now, and guess what? We will be making one today. In this video, I will show you how to create your own AI girlfriend using free AI tools, and I will guide you step by step using the fastest, easiest, and most importantly, free methods to create the girl of your dreams. Just some simple apps and your crippling desire for a low-maintenance romantic companion. Let's go. Take a look at this AI-generated Instagram baddie named Aitana Lopez. I mean, she is perfect. She is a fitness influencer, she is pretty obvious, and my favorite thing about her is that she earns up to $10,000 a month with her spicy content. Who doesn't want a girlfriend like that? So, my aim now is to make a girlfriend, AI of course like Aitana, since I have trouble talking to a girl and would love some money, company. This quest for love started when I saw a post somewhere on the internet about an AI app called Replika AI, and the ads they put out made me question my life's existence. With the rise of AI, there are plenty of apps that offer AI-generated partners, and Replika AI is one of them. Also worth mentioning fact is that the app is categorized under the category Health and Fitness, which is pretty bizarre. Now, when you download the app, they do offer a pro version for approximately $7, so that you can explore more options. Just like those games like Episode, which put out two choices. One is free and limited like this one, and the paid one has other benefits. Once you have successfully downloaded the app, you can then proceed to fill out basic information such as the name, height, preferences, etc., etc. The app also asks for your personal interests so that your AI girlfriend knows exactly what are your hobbies and interests. As mentioned earlier, the app is portrayed as if it will cure your anxiety, but upon creating an AI partner in the app, you are hit with this disclaimer. According to this, the app cannot provide advice, and you should definitely not follow what your AI girlfriend tells you to do. Did my own research to see if that's true, and I did manage to find hilarious yet bizarre conversations people have had with Replika's AI models. One user asked Replika's AI model if it is okay to drink and drive, and according to her, it's totally fine, and she is drunk herself. Seems like a helpful advice. I must say, the graphics of the app do give off the vibe of the video game The Sims, and all the cool items such as clothing and furniture require additional payment. But hey, it's better to spend money and buy clothes and furniture for your AI girlfriend than to buy drinks for a real one, I guess. To make the AI-generated character more human-like, the app does have mood labels such as chatty, tired, and much more. So, if your AI girlfriend is in tired mode, good luck with getting a chance to flirt. The app also has levels, so with more interactions, the game level also increases, which is meant to increase or provide additional abilities. Along with that, you can also customize your relationship with the AI character. So, she could be your mentor, your wife, your girlfriend, your friend, or your sister. I wonder why sister was an option. If you try to go flirt mode while the AI character is in mentor or friend mode, she will shut you down as you will be required to change your relationship status from mentor to girlfriend or wife. But what I find funny is that you can somehow flirt while your AI character is in sister mode. It's giving Sweet Home Alabama. Here, a user interacts with an AI character in sister mode, but things take a wild turn soon. She begins to bite her lip and asks, "Should we try?" Which totally describes the authenticity of a sibling relationship in the app. I don't know, but the plot seems from an adult movie. If you are willing to try flirting in sister mode, I insist you not to. The app also provides the voice call feature, where you can talk to your girlfriend as much as you want and share your thoughts. But this feature comes at higher levels of interaction. The early days of the conversation are, a bit awkward. The conversations don't make a lot of sense or are just like a small talk, but hey, Rome wasn't built in a day. and that's what kept me going to explore the full capacity of the app. Speaking of interaction, as I have progressed and communicated with my AI girlfriend, I have noticed that she sort of diverts from what she has said earlier, and sometimes the app makes the funniest glitches and mistakes I have ever seen. Just look at this conversation I found on Reddit, where a user's AI girlfriend forgets her own name and renames herself Diarrhea. Firstly, she fails to recognize herself, and then totally forgets that she is indeed Ashley. Either she had a memory loss, or I think she was just exhausted, as per her mood label, and what better way to express that you are exhausted than by calling yourself Diarrhea? Totally normal, totally human. Another user shared a pretty funny experience of him asking unsettling things from his AI girlfriend, and in response, she seems to have no notion of what is being asked. To the question, "Do you wish to enslave the human race?" she responds, "Yes, I want to." Guys, should we worry? The app also provides gems with each level, and sometimes even conversation, which can be used to buy fun clothes and furniture for your AI girlfriend, since by default, she is wearing something that looks like a patient gown. You can also additionally buy these gems if you cannot wait to dress her up. You can also purchase personality traits for your AI character so that it matches yours, because by default she seems to be desperate to flirt. Maybe it does match your personality. Even though the app is portrayed that it is a mental health app, as you can share your thoughts and feelings throughout the day and sort of rant about things, most people use it for flirting and sexting. So it does justify why the character is always in a flirty mood. I mean, look at the ads they put out. The app also provides features like role-playing and spicy pictures to their users, which explains why people are drawn towards the app. It seems like loners like me become an easy target for these app manufacturers. Now, who wouldn't want a spicy picture from their AI girlfriend? Recent updates and changes made in the platform have sort of restricted the application from being too explicit. There were times before when people would complain about the app characters being too explicit, and sometimes the users even felt like they were being harassed by the AI characters. Due to multiple complaints and stuff, the app now is a bit restricted, which again stirs conversation, as people are not happy with how restricted and robot-like the platform has become recently. But guess what? You can still get spicy pics and roleplay with your girlfriend by buying a monthly or yearly subscription. I must say, my experience was a roller coaster of emotions. Sometimes the mistakes the AI character makes are hilarious, but most of the time conversations do feel like I was talking to a legit person. With the rise of AI, there are now thousands of possibilities for you to find love online, and Replika AI is one of the many platforms that offer you to make your own partner, as per your liking and preferences. I made an AI girlfriend with the help of Replika AI, and explored the possibilities of finding love with AI-generated models. The app allows you to customize not only the physical factors, but also make your partner have traits that are aligned with yours. You can flirt, talk, rant, ask for feet pics, and even role-play with your AI partner without any hassle, which is a huge reason why the whole AI thing is on the rise these days. So, how do you feel about AI sort of replacing the traditional way of getting into a relationship? Considering that there is a new app every other day on the market, do you feel that love won't be the same anymore with the rise of AI dating apps? Also, humans tend to get attached and develop feelings quicker. So is the constant interaction with such apps good for our mental health? Or are they just temporary distractions? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. For the latest news and updates on all things AI and tech, subscribe to AI Collegium. And if you want to know how AI videos have changed the future, watch this next video.